Opening.io finds the highest suitable candidate for any given role by using machine learning and AI. What we do is basically activate 100% of a company's database, all their CVs, and we ensure they hire faster, better, and at a lower cost.
So we didn't set up our own premise because, first of all, we cannot forecast the amount of traffic that we're going to be receiving. I would actually start with a data model. And that's actually hugely important because that's one thing which you cannot get wrong from the get-go. The first impact we had was on our response times and resilience and all that sort of jazz. Basically, it all comes down to how secure and how reliable are we storing data and are able to tap into it. And that was a major thing. All our platform is distributed, so all the support in terms of all the all Azure's flexibility, platform's flexibility in regards to various ways of deployment, micromanage, microservices, containers, all that sort of jazz. That's baked in. So it was naturally a fit for us. First of all, security, definitely. So it's by our own definition again, we cannot simply afford to take that lightly. There's lots of confidentiality conditions to be met, all that sort of jazz. They actually require quite a big amount of computation, which we are not able to provide ourselves, in the sense that we have millions of computations that need to actually complete in a matter of 1 second, 2 seconds, otherwise there's no reason to do this.
Microsoft, together with our CTO, sat down, looked at our architecture and really helped us understand how we can better use what Microsoft has in order to enhance our offering.
First technical conversation we had with Microsoft actually ended up in a prototyping session. So 30 minutes after the initial roadmap and all that, all those aspects, basically we were getting to core architectural details overview, and then starting challenging them immediately.
In our case, we're a young company, but we couldn't build just an MVP. We had to build a really solid platform in order to enable us to sell into enterprises. We're powering entities that have millions of resumes, and we needed help with that. As a young company, if you want to build all that, you need a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of resources. So Microsoft really empowered us to do what we do best.
We powered a really cool event in Dublin, our careers fair, which is called Career Zoo. The problem we had, basically, we needed to respond fast and power an event with real-time attendance. 15,000 candidates in this particular case, delivered to 24 companies that were looking to fill all their roles. We needed to scale basically really fast and to support, to be able to accommodate any extra capacity needs. So Azure really helped us, not worry about that at all. Basically, we were able to provision capacity in a matter of seconds that could have probably covered 10 times the amount of that event instantly. Some companies filled all their roles in a matter of 2 days. So really fantastic feedback also from candidates. The challenging part is, being able to have that and deploy that in sync at scale, and that worked perfectly for us ever since.
If you're a company actively hiring, or a company with large resume databases, or a job board that matches people to jobs, and you want to do that faster, smarter, and at a lower cost, come talk to us. You'll find us at opening.io.